This is your reading for today, and your cards are Ten of Swords and Ace of Pentacles. September, the ending of September and the beginning of October is going to be significant for you. You will see changes and new beginnings coming into your life, and these changes and new beginnings are not these changes and new beginnings will be visible to you in very tangible things in your life. It could be related to a property that you or a house that you've been wanting to purchase, and the right offer will come to you, and you will have the money, resources to be able to make the purchase. It could be in the sense of a stability or a new offer in terms of a job. It could also be a kind of a travel that will bring more stability to you. And very, very important, the end of September and the beginning of October will mark a change in the direction of your life, because you have made a change in the way you have been thinking. You may not be aware of it. I will suggest that go back and look at your life 7 to 10 years back, and sit down and be aware and be mindful and try to see the pattern that you need. I can see change in your way of thinking, determination thinking, and the action to put it into reality has brought about a change in your life. The template: thought, intention, action. But here's the catch. So you will say that this is a linear pattern: thought, intention, action, and this is how I am supposed to do. No, it's not a linear pattern. It loops back. Time is not linear, time loops back, and past, present, future is all present in the present, right? It's not going anywhere. The past isn't going, the future isn't coming, it is all there. So here is how it loops back. You made a change in a way of thinking, thought. Then you showed the determination to uh, put effort into it, and how to put the effort. You created a strategy and a plan, intention. Next, you took the action on that strategy. Next, the outcome was different from the way you envisaged. And it is always like this. The outcome is different. It's not like everything in your head will come into reality, no. But it will come in a way which is for your highest good. Now, when you took that action, life moved ahead through challenges, but there was growth over there for sure. Life moved ahead. Now, this action is shaping the thought and giving you strength in the power of thought. This is the template.